Low-quality alkaline-based shampoos in most of cases consist of only few components. Yes, they are cheaper, but it's extremely dangerous to use such kind of products if you don't want to harm paintwork.
But can you give us a proof or warranty that the shampoo is totally safe? Halo Grass Team, kembali lagi di Grass Talk. Di episode kali ini bersama saya Rijan akan terasa lebih spesial karena kita sudah kedatangan perwakilan dari Grass di head office di Rusia, yaitu Mr. Evgeny. Hi Mr. Evgeny, how are you? Thank you so much for attending our invitation in this episode of Grass Talk. How is everything in Russia so far? I heard there's a winter coming recently.
Hello, Mr. Jan. Hello to all Indonesian viewers.
Okay.
Thank you so much for inviting me to this meeting. I'm sincerely glad to be here. Thank you for asking. I'm fine. Here in Russia is the beginning of the winter and we are quite shocked because of the rapid changing of the weather and we are trying to get used to the cold. Every year it's really hard to do.
Yes, well, the climate is changing so fast, but I believe that all of you guys in Russia and Europe mostly, I'm sure you can handle the situation, such the cold winter like that. And as we all know that we are under COVID-19 pandemic right now, the whole world, I mean. So how's everything in Russia due to this COVID-19 anyway? How is everything, I mean?
It has been terrible, to be honest. I think we still feel the consequences of that period. It was so turbulent time for citizens as well as for car wash market. We faced up with the rapid fall of the demand of our products, but we decided not to give up. Our team decided to redirect production capacity on producing disinfectant products. At the same time, we decided to provide to our partners, to current partners, extra support, which helped them to pass through the time and basically survive. Unfortunately, it repeats time to time, but now we are more familiar with it and know how to accept it easier.
Well, so sad to hear that, really so sad to hear that, but it happens in all over the world. What can you say about that? But let's hope that everything will be back to normal again, since many countries have followed the same procedure, the health procedure, and they have the tight safety protocols. So let's hope that everything gets better and back to normal again. So, Mr. Evgeny, we have some list of questions for you. Hopefully you can answer the questions so that our Grass partner, Grass team can find out more about Grass itself. As we all know that our Grass team has know about the product or even used the product, but I don't think many of them know about the Grass itself. Could you please tell us a little bit story about Grass?
Grass is the Russian's leading manufacturer of professional car wash chemicals and car care products. We are present in more than 60 countries all over the world and every region of Russia. We have branches in Prague and Shanghai. The main customers of our products, car wash stations, transport companies, service stations, detail workshops, retail and network shops. We produce unique products, control the quality, at the same time offer competitive prices to the market. Using high quality raw materials, professional staff and experience, which enable us to produce products that meet the strictest worldwide standards for detergency and environmental friendliness. We are continually working to improve existing and develop new detergents. The average annual growth of our company is around 30% to 40% in terms of revenue.
Okay.
The area of the land plot with all buildings is over 50,000 square meters. The company's production capacity is around 1,000 tons per day. For product storage, there is a big warehouse system with a total area of more than 15,000 square meters for 10,000 pallet positions. Distribution center with the area of 10,000 square meters. The company staff consists of more than 800 professional, and highly qualified employees.
Nice. Thank you so much for answering and help and explaining as well. What a remarkable human resource, and facilities that you have in there. We know that there are many touchless shampoo in the world recently. Why do you think that grass become so popular and become a number one product in most country in the world as well? Can you tell me why it becomes the leader in touchless shampoo?
I want to inform you, Mr. Rujan, and all our Indonesian viewers that recently Grass have been officially awarded with the Russian brand #1 reward in the segment of car wash detergents and car care products.
Okay.
It was the choice of citizens, and we are really proud of it. When it comes to the region, the first touchless shampoos for vehicles or active foam appeared at the beginning of 2000s. At the same time, the service named touchless washing was formed on the car wash stations. Since that time, hands-free washes have spread around the world and become widespread not only in Russia. Basically, touchless method is really effective approach for cleaning cars and motorcycles because of high detergency of products, which helps to save time for washing. Moreover, a high concentration of touchless shampoos allows to reduce expenses because you are able to adjust concentration of ready-for-use solution, depending on the level of contamination, of course. All that factors makes touchless shampoos extremely attractive for business representatives.
Yes.
I mean car wash station owners, as well as for final customers. Company Grass always accept the feedback from the customers. That's why product range of touchless shampoos consists of more than 25 items.
25 items, okay.
Each product has its own unique recipe, which differ in detergency, foaming effect, capability to work either in hard or in soft water, products for dosing system of self-service car wash stations were specially designed, as well as line of colored touchless shampoos. I think all of these create main advantage of Grass products, which help to satisfy customers' needs.
Oh, so it started from the early of 2000. So it means, so we can say that by that year, the washing method has changed to a new method, which is using the touchless shampoo then. Why do you think the car owner choose to wash their car in a self-service washing using touchless method in Russia and other European countries? I mean, what do you think the reason behind that?
We are quite informed about the car wash market all over the world, and we update the feedback about changes of customer preferences regularly. And I feel that using self-service car wash stations is the sustainable tendency, and it will definitely determine the car wash market of the future. For example, the quantity of self-service car washes in Russia 1 year ago was around 2,000 pieces. Last year, I mean this year, around 5,000 pieces.
5,000 pieces, okay.
According to our experience, Russian car wash market is like an indicator of what could be popular in this field all over the world in 1 to 2 years. Why car owners prefer to use self-service car washes? I guess because it's fast and efficient way to wash your car as you want, when you want, and where you want. And of course, it's quite cheaper, unlike services provided by manual car wash stations.
Agree with your reason, but I think the reason that you mentioned earlier is not the only reason for them to choose Grass product, but I think it's because Grass is not just offering a good technology, but also, just like you said, the Grass listened what the customer wants, and I think that is the primary key of why they choose Grass as their touchless shampoo or touchless wash in Russia and other European countries. Well, interesting to hear that. Okay, Mr. Ebony, as we know that there are so many touchless shampoo around the world, just like we discussed earlier, and we also know that grass has become the leader of it. But what is the difference between? I mean, what is the difference between grass and all other brand? Is there any such a strong point? I mean, what kind of technology does it use, and is it environmental safety or what? Can you tell us a little bit about it?
Good question. It's very important to understand difference of touchless shampoo with more common on the market manual shampoos, or even alkaline-based shampoo with low quality. Active foam destroys connection of the dirt with the surface of car body in case of following correct technology of applying
I see.
and keep it on the surface.
Okay.
As a result, contaminations practically peel off from the paintwork.
Yeah.
So, detergency of touchless shampoo is based on special balanced recipe of substances like as surfactants, complexing agents, etc. Formula is the result of long-term research of R&D department. It's safe for the paintwork and chrome details of the car as well as for environment because it's fully biodegradable. Low-quality alkaline-based shampoos in most of cases consist of only few components. The formula is really simple and detergency is determined of aggressive alkalis included. Yes, they are cheaper, but it's extremely dangerous to use such kind of products if you don't want to harm paintwork.
Correct. Yes.
When it comes to manual shampoos, here we need to clarify that they have pH balanced environment and absolutely safe. But what could be the danger? If primarily you wash dirty car or motorcycle with a manual shampoo and mechanically treat it with sponge, 100% sure you scratch the paintwork. Any kind of dirt or even dust has abrasive effect, and it's too risky to start washing the car with a manual shampoo. The ideal approach is firstly removing all dirt with touchless shampoo and high pressure, then carefully use manual shampoo and sponge. That's how you will keep shiny gloss of your car's paintwork for a really long time.
Okay, so that we can make sure that this grass shampoo is safe for environment and it will protect the paint of our car as well. Mr. Avni, we know that this grass shampoo is a leader in almost many countries in the world, especially for Russia and other European countries. But what do you think, or why is it recommended for Indonesia? I mean, is there any similarity of geographic Indonesia or the kind of dirt in Indonesia? And can you tell us, or can you explain to us why is it recommended for us in Indonesia?
Actually, grass touchless shampoo is suitable for any type of dirt, not only in Indonesia. Believe me that in some regions of Russia you can face with such kind of dirt you have never seen even a movie. That's why our product range consists of more than 25 types of shampoo in order to give to a customer a chance to meet his needs and cope with any type of dirt. We test our product in different regions of Russia with the light level of contamination and hard with greasy and dusty dirt. It helps us to constantly improve our formulas. By the way, in south part of Russia we have quite a similar climate as you, therefore the dirt is the same.
Okay. We proceed to the next question. I understand that GRAS has a program called GRAS Indonesia Partnership Program. What is the main goal of the GRAS Indonesia Partnership Program? Can you explain it to us?
The main goal of partnership program is to expand touchless washing culture among all Indonesia, thereby increase the level of service provided to Indonesian car owners, to give to the final clients confidence that their car will be safely and perfectly washed. What this program gives to the entrepreneurs is to the opportunity to level up their current business or even start new direction.
Okay.
Using touchless method gives to entrepreneur lots of advantages and allows to save the time of washing one car,
Yes.
therefore increase capacity of car wash station.
Yeah.
In terms of quantity of cars could be washed per day. Because of that, give opportunity to earn more per day. Using touchless method decrease human involvement, therefore mistakes
Yes.
and harmful impact
Correct.
on the paintwork.
Yes.
Because of it, increase the level of services and attractiveness of your car wash station. Happy and satisfied clients will be more loyal and will come to you again and again. Lastly, the fact that grass touchless shampoo is highly concentrated allows to reduce prime cost of washing, adjusting dilution rate depending on the level of dirt.
Okay, that is what we expected, of course. I mean, when we wash to a washing self machine, we hope that there's nothing happen with our car, and we get a cheap price as well. So I think what Grass offer is very, very interesting, and it will make a good entrepreneurship as well, I think. Okay, Mr. Evgeny, you have explained and shared information with us the safety of this shampoo, but can you give us a proof or warranty that the shampoo is totally safe, even for a car which has been coated? Because many car business or car owners still believe that a shampoo with a pH 12 is not safe for a long-term use. Can you give us a proof about that?
The essential proof are that 100 tests performed by our R&D department before releasing any sort of touchless shampoo, and millions of cars washed with our shampoos all over the world. It's absolutely logical to have that doubts because pH 12 environment can be harmful. But here is very important to understand what substances included in the shampoo. If only simple alkalis, which are very aggressive, it's too risky to use it. That's why our products consist of advanced components, which are really efficient and safe at the same time. When it comes to coated cars, we understand that protecting the paintwork going to be more popular in time. That's why our scientists constantly improve that formulas in order to reduce the impact on the coatings and prolong its service life without fall of detergency of touchless shampoos, of course.
So you're saying that the doubt is unreasonable because this product has passed so many tests and quality control, right? Mr. Evgeny, you know that in this era where we know that internet has become a global needs in all over the world, we can get so many informations about how to make something, how to produce something, including if we want, even if I want to produce my own touchless shampoo. Do you think it is possible for me or other people to produce the shampoo by just less information that I have from the internet or other sources?
The simple one, which can be harmful for the paintwork, yes, it's not a big problem. But it's almost impossible to produce good product which complies with worldwide standards without special knowledges and laboratory equipment. Each batch of shampoos and other products produced in Grass manufacture pass through dozens of tests, which guarantee the quality of products. Special technical department controls each supply of raw materials we use. Human involvement in production process is only 15%. All that details allows us to be sure that using our product will be 100% safe for customer as well as for environment. By the way, our company is fully compliant with the ISO 9001 and we renew this certificate annually. For our company it is ultimately important to follow worldwide standards. It helped us to be confident in quality of goods produced. Grass touchless shampoo have already met Indonesian Ministry of Health requirements and standards. That's why the product can sail legally all around Indonesia.
Okay, so I get the point. So you're saying that many people, and I think all of the people can produce the touchless shampoo, but not all of them are guaranteed that they will pass the test, including that ISO certificate, right? Okay, Mr. Evany, we are approaching to our last interview of questions, and looking back to your statement earlier that you said that grass is safe for environment. Can you tell us what activities have been done or carried out by grass to preserve the earth?
Grass Company is following the strategy of sustainable development. Grass is aware of its environmental impact because its products are used by millions of people around the world. Grass actively promotes separate waste collection and rejection of disposable plastic. Separate waste collection is also implemented in grass production facilities. All sorted fractions are sent to the press and then for recycling. Part of the recycled plastic is returned to the factory in the form of granules, which are added when manufacturing new containers. Even new grass HDP bottles contains 20% recycled plastic. Every new polyethylene bottle contains 50% recycled plastic. Grass Company has launched a large project named Grass Forest that aims to plant 300,000 trees by 2030. The company's partners and regional residents will plant trees in parks, areas, yards, forest areas, and nature reserves.
Wow.
You can follow the progress on the project in real time using the hashtag GrassForest on the Instagram.
Hashtag grass forest. Okay.
Please visit it.
Well, Mr. Evany, thank you so much for the interview. Based on your explanation, so I don't think there should be any more doubt about the touchless shampoo itself for the car business owner, and or even for the car owner itself to use the grass touchless shampoo. Thank you so much for having time with us. Last but not least, can you please invite all the viewers in Indonesia to be part of the Grass family?
Thank you so much for your time. It was my pleasure to be here. Hope I was useful for you. Join Grass family, be the part of the future. Bye-bye.
Bye, Mr. Evany. Thank you so much. Stay safe and stay healthy to everyone in Russia. Thank you so much once again. Bye. Baiklah Grass Team, itulah tadi interview kita bersama Mr. Evany dari headquarters Grass di Rusia. Semoga apa yang dijelaskan oleh Mr. Evany bisa menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang terbesit di benak Grass Team sekalian. Sampai ketemu di episode Grass Talk berikutnya. Salam tanpa sentuh.